Marriott, like sort of near the airport. She looked for something on the strip.
This is going to be
that had a
full
free shuttle.
of all my
We
things
on
on my slimes. And this was glow in the dark. This was flow. This was a fail.
Yeah.
Let's
That's fine.
get into that thing now.
Okay. No worries at all.
And this is
All right, I'll see you later.
Mr.
Thank you for dinner.
Miss.
Thank you, Katie, for my shirts and my thing.
Good.
And
Nicole's just walking out the door.
Mr. EMC2.
You are
Slime is kid-friendly blocks and starch-free recipes. And let's make this one orange. You guys don't even know what we're doing with it.
I'm sorry.
Oh, go check out part 1, part 2, and part 4 of this. I'm gonna make this one neon orange, almost like a fishbowl bead in a way, but kind of not. And this is really neon. I think we're gonna use this one. Wow, I'm going really fast with all these. Because last time it took my slime 6 minutes to make, just to make. Okay, let's mix this up. And you want it to be kind of sticky for all the beads to stick in, if you know what I'm saying. Okay, take it out. Oh my gosh, bad idea. Do not take it out. So, already take it out though. Too late. Oh my gosh. I should have like an oh my gosh cow. Like, oh my gosh. Ah! Oh my gosh, this is kind of a win, kind of a fail. My last slime video was a fail. Can this one be a win? Like, it was kind of a fail, kind of a not fail. But this is a very small amount of slime here, and I have a very small amount of beads. Yeah, but make sure to go check out part 1, part 2, and part 3, and make sure to subscribe. And yeah, this just might be the end of my video. A 2-minute and 4-second video. No, this is probably going to be much longer. Because I might do 2. But I'm not. No, I'm trying to put my activator back. And this slime kit is very nice so far. Makes pretty stretchy slimes. Pretty nice slimes. And I think I might add some more beads to make this video a bit longer. Not just 15 minutes. That's just... Oh my gosh. Actually, no, my beads are falling out. We're not putting any more. But make sure to like this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications. And, yeah, but let's get into some slime. Sorry, my dog's trying to walk up the stairs. It's fine going. This isn't very good ASMR, but you know, it's what I have. And this is the end of the video. Make sure to go check out the other parts. And yeah!